Hello everyone, welcome to this part of this video where we actually look at part D of this question. So for part D, the points 2.2k and h and k, there are 2 points, both lie on this curve. Use your graph to find the value of k and h. Alright. So at this point, let me use a different color, sorry. I'm going to use this color for this point. And I'm going to try and plot these 2 points. Okay. So from this graph, now I'm going to zoom in on this graph. The blue point would be, okay, I hope you all can see it. Now that I've zoomed in. For x equals to 2.2, so this will be the first point here. This one will be my 2.2 k. And on this particular point k, you can see that my value of k easily already. Because the k is the y-axis, the y value, you can see that k is equals to 4. And as I move to the other side of this curve, there's also another point. And this is actually my h and k, which we have found out that k is actually 4. And what will then be this h value, which is the x coordinate of this green color point? Negative 3.2. And so I will then be able to get my answer for 3.2. So going back to the question, let me zoom out again. Therefore, I would be able to write down my answer for this question now. For D part 1, my k is equals to 4. And for D part 2, my h is equals to negative 3.2. And we have come to the end of this video. Oops, sorry. And we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up as we move on to the next part of this video, okay? Which is part E.